Good evening, Sidra.
Good evening, Amanveer.
Hi, my name is Amanveer Singh. I am student of APT from batch J5. I want to thank APT for giving me a wonderful opportunity to have a conversation with one of my APT senior here, Miss Sidra, who is currently working in Air India International. Hi, Sidra. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
I am also doing fine. I want to ask you some questions. Shall we start?
Yes, please.
So, my first question is, how was your experience in APT, and what are the things that you have learned after completion of your course?
Okay, so my experience in APT was amazing. APT is like a memory to me. It's like my second home. So
Okay.
I had some amazing mentors: Nilanjana
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
Nuraj sir, Kunal da, Wakash sir, Heta ma'am. They were amazing to me. And
Yes, yes.
I would just say that when you don this uniform, just have this faith in yourself that APT will never leave you and APT will help you to reach the skies. So just be very positive and grateful that you're here in this platform. You do not get this kind of authentic platform, these days. That's it.
Okay, so my second question is, how was your first interview experience and how did you feel when you got selected and how was your journey till date?
Okay, my first interview experience. So, Air India came up with an interview after a very long time, and Nilanjana ma'am just pushed me to go. I was not confident enough, because I weighed more. I was around 70 kgs back then, and I did not have that confidence. But I told Nilanjana ma'am that if the first round will be of weight and height, then I'm coming back. I am not scared about my height, but I was very much scared about my weight. But I told her that if the first round is of GD, then I'm not coming back, of course. So I just went there. There were a group of 10 people, and the HR gave us a line like going out with friends on weekends or something that was like there. And there were 9 of people sitting. They were listening to me, and I kept on talking. I kept on going, and maybe they
Yes,
thought
yes.
she's the one. So yeah, the interview was amazing, and when I got to know that I got selected, oh my god, it's amazing. When you go on an interview where you were not confident enough, and then you get selected in your very first interview, it's just amazing. It's out of the world.
Okay, nice, sounds good. So my third question is, how was your first flight experience like when you reached on board?
My first flight experience, of course, you go on certain training days, and when you reach on board, it's a very real time experience. You deal with 500 passengers and their tantrums, but those are guests for you. So you just go on, and you will have to show that this is your daily job and this is not your first time. But also, apart from all these experiences, I felt like I was on the skies because I was on the skies. And it was amazing. The first flight was so amazing. And the crew set also makes your flight very amazing if you get a very nice crew set.
Okay, nice. So my fourth question, I have heard that it's tough being a cabin crew because you have to live far away from your loved ones. Is it true? Can you give your personal experience, Miss Citra?
It's of course hard to live away from your family and friends. So this job comes with certain cons also. There are some pros and there are some cons also. But if you're choosing this job, do not give up on your dreams. This is not like regular 9 to 5 job, right? You
Yes.
just come here, and as I told you before the interview, I am in New York right now, and this is the very third time I'm sitting in New York in this very month. So no other job can give you this opportunity, right? So there, you need to give up on something. You can catch up on a lot of things. The life is so big, so beautiful. You will get a lot of chances, but this chance, do not let it go. Just do not let it go. So yeah, it's amazing. Just do not give up on your dream.
Okay, thanks. So my last question is, what do you have to say to people who aspire to be a cabin crew? Like any tips and suggestion?
Of course. Just do not give up on your confidence. Confidence is everything. Wear that smile. The smile does 90% of the job. So, also be your own critique. You should know where you're lagging behind. Brush up on your communication skills. It is very much important. You should know how to talk to people. You should know how to solve. Also, absence of mind doesn't work here. Be very smart, be vigilant, and also just do not give up on your dream. And I would say that APT helps you a lot to achieve your goal. Just do not leave the hands of all the mentors I told you about, I mentioned before, and you will absolutely get your wings. Just do not give up on your dreams. There are a lot of people who will tell that you cannot do it, but I'm sitting here with all my trust in all of you people. You all can do it. So just be very proud of yourself wherever you have reached. Okay.
Well, thank you, Sidra, for giving your precious time for this interview.
Thank you so much, Amanveer, for having me here.
Thank you.
Welcome.